Did you know that a single sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour? That's like a race car zooming down the track. When your body senses an irritant, it triggers a reflex that forces air out of your lungs through your nose and mouth. This explosive release can send out over 40,000 droplets into the air. But here's something even wackier. If you try to hold in a sneeze, you might risk injury. It could even rupture blood vessels or injure your eardrums. So next time you feel that tickle in your nose, just let it fly. Your body knows best.